How to use the soldering iron. Materials needed: PCB or printed circuit board, wire, soldering lead and soldering iron. Plug the soldering iron to the outlet. Wait a few minutes until its heat is enough to melt the soldering lead. Place the component to the PCB and make sure that it is aligned to its proper polarity. Carefully place the tip of the soldering iron together with the soldering lead. Then solder the component to the PCB. Next is joining the two wires. Strip the both wires, join each other, and solder it.